Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recover secret conversation in Messenger. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Messenger application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to show you how we can recover secret conversation in this Messenger application. Let's say you hide the secret conversation because you accidentally archive your chat. So I'm going to show you how we can recover it. I'm going to archive this chat, for example. I'm going to click on archive and I'm going to show you how we can get back the chat. I'm going to click on these three lines on the top left, and then we can go to the archive, and here we'll be able to see the archived chats. And if you want to get back your secret chat or secret conversation with your friend in Messenger, you just need to unarchive the chat. I'm going to tap and hold on the conversation or the chat, and then we can simply click on unarchive. Okay, and then we'll be able to get back the chat on our Messenger, this one. Okay, and if you delete the chat or deleted the secret conversation and you want to get back the conversation on your Messenger, you need to go to your information in the account center. You can click on those three lines again, and then you can go to the account center. You can go to the setting first, and then you can scroll down until you find account center right here, and then go to the your information and permissions. All right, and to get back your secret conversation, you need to download your information. Okay, and click on download or transfer information, and select these specific types of information because we just need to recover the chat. Okay, you can select messages and then click on next. Okay, then click on download to device. Okay, and I'm going to click on create files. Okay, and we need to wait until the information has been downloaded. Usually we will get the notification on our Gmail, so you need to check your Gmail to get your information. Okay guys, then that's all the way to recover secret conversation in Messenger. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.